Rubaiyat. This collection of quatrains by Omar Khayyam offers a philosophical meditation on life's fleeting nature. The poems reflect on themes of love, mortality, fate, and the pursuit of happiness, often suggesting that one should enjoy the present moment because life is short and uncertain. Rubaiyat provides deep moral and philosophical insights about life, death, and living in the moment. It promotes the idea of embracing joy, critiques the chase of material wealth, and raises questions about fate, free will, and search for meaning in unpredictable times. This poetry encourages us to reflect on how to achieve happiness and fulfillment in life. The Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam delves into profound reflections on life, time, and fate, which are relevant for students approaching adulthood. The poems explore themes of success and failure, emphasizing the need to confront challenges in order to achieve success. Additionally, the author highlights the unpredictable nature of fate, encouraging readers or us to accept life's challenges, pursue personal goals, and seek happiness, love, and friendship for fulfilling life. Rubaiyat provides insight and addresses the trials and transitions of young people, encouraging them to accept the beauty and unpredictability of life with a thoughtful and open mindset.